How to add jobs in CrewCard app as a client. In this video, you will learn how to create job bookings, adding venue, adding files, and adding on-site contact in CrewCard app. Tap the Add Job button on the job list page. This will open the client portal page where you can start adding or booking jobs. Once Add Job has been tapped, you will directed to Add Booking page. Select the booking person from the drop-down menu. Select the job location from the drop-down menu and enter the PO number on this field. Under the venue name, enter the first 3 letters of the venue name. Suggestions will appear and tap the venue name based on the suggestions. In Meeting Place and Room section, select the meeting place and room from the drop-down menu. If you want to add another meeting place and rooms, click the plus icon. In Onsite Contact section, select Onsite Contact from the drop-down menu. Click the plus icon if you want to add another onsite contact. Next, select the date of the job. Tap on each of the dates where you want your job to be scheduled. Enter the number of crew required, select time on and time off, select activity from the drop-down menu, and select ability from the drop-down menu. Once done, tap Next button. To add another activity, select an activity from the drop-down menu. Tap or select Operator as an activity. A new field will be added with an operator as an activity. Once activity has been selected, a row of fields will appear. Abilities, quantity of crew needed. Start Time section. When you tap on this field, a drop-down menu will appear for the selection of start time. While End Time section, when you tap on this field, a drop-down menu will appear for the selection of end time. And last section is the delete icon. It will allow you to delete the row of data. Once done, tap Next button. You will be redirected to the Overview page where you can review the job you have entered. From here you can edit the date by tapping on the calendar icon. Select the date from the calendar if there are changes in the date of job booking. Time on and time off can also be edited. Tap the Time on and time off section to change the start and end time. If you want to change activity and ability, tap on the drop-down, and a selection on activities and abilities will appear. Same with room, this section can be edited, or you may click plus icon if you want to add more rooms. Meeting place and on-site contact name can be editable. Tap Add Induction button. Enter the induction details. And tap Save button. Once the booking details has been verified, tap Save button. Enter notes for the crew and admin on the provided fields. Once done filling up the notes, proceed to the condition section. Tick the boxes of the conditions. And tap Confirm Booking button. Notifications show that you have successfully booked your job. The job you created will now appear on the job list page of the CrewCard app. Let's proceed in adding venue. If the venue you entered on the field is non-existent, the app will ask you if you want to add that venue. Tap Yes to proceed. The venue details page will open where you can enter details of the new venue location. Enter the address on the field provided and Google Maps will suggest locations. From the suggestions, tap the location. All available information will be filled out automatically. The email is not populated automatically. You can manually enter the email address. Mandatory fields are denoted by an asterisk. Venue Notes sections. You can enter important reminders or notes about the venue. Fax section. You may enter the fax number of the venue here. Restrict to Clients section. You may set 0 or 1 if you do not want your clients to use this location. And from Induction section, you may select from the available induction from the drop-down menu, which is applicable to this venue. Let's proceed in adding meeting place. To add a meeting place, enter the name of the meeting place on the field provided and tap the pin icon. Then a pin will appear on the map. You can drag this pin anywhere on the map. To add another meeting place, tap the plus icon. Once plus icon is tapped, a new field will be added under meeting place. Adding room, enter the name of the room on the field provided, and if you want to add more rooms, click the plus icon. Once plus icon is tapped, a new field will be added under Room section. Next is Reported Safety Issue. If there are issues about the job location, it will appear on this section. Adding files. If you want to add the files with respect to the job location, you can do so here. Enter the file name, file description and expiry dates on the provided field. Then click Choose File button to attach a file. And if you want to add more files, click the plus icon. Once you have completed the details of this venue, tap Save, and you will be redirected back to the job booking page. To add an on-site contact, simply tap plus icon under On-Site Contact section. Fill out the on-site contact details fields. Once done, tap Save button. Thank you for watching. If you have further questions or concern, please send us an email at support@personnelmanager.com.au.